YouTube, here is a quick and easy recipe for a side dish that would go great with any dinner, whether it be steaks or hamburgers or even fish. So join me as I go through this recipe. Okay, I have cut up 3 small zucchinis into relatively large chunks. 4 medium-sized potatoes I've kind of diced up. I'll show you how big. They're relatively large chunks as well. Then I diced a half of a medium-sized onion. I have a half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then I have my paprika. I'm just going to sprinkle that on. Salt and pepper, just sprinkle it on. And garlic, I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on as well. And I'm going to put it all into my baking dish, and I will be baking that in the oven set at 400 degrees for probably about 30 to 35 minutes, and then this will all be done. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and then show you what it looks like. And here we are, all mixed up and ready to go into the oven. Again, the oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to be baking this dish for about, I'd say for about 35 minutes. Really, really good for this side dish to be brought to a potluck dinner. This side dish is relatively inexpensive, especially in the summer. And it also packs a real flavor punch that everybody's going to like. So for dinner tonight, I decided to make some little slider hamburgers. You can see how small they are compared to my hand. And so with these, we didn't have any little slider buns. So I took our bread, our whole wheat bread, and I cut, each piece made 2 little circles. And again, you can see how big they are compared to my hand. With the leftover crust and just extra parts of the bread, what I decided to do was to leave some behind for breadcrumbs. And this is the extra I cut off after I was done making these. And again, look at them compared to the size of my hand. What I'm going to be doing with these is doing those little kebab sandwiches that I keep, or sandwich kebabs that I keep on hearing about. So be looking for a video on how I use this leftover bread, and these are just going to go to breadcrumbs. But I thought that was a little nifty idea of a way to use our leftovers.